back to another video of Roblox. And my face is pressing. I mean, what? Like, whatever. Just skip the part. And there's a new thing called fireworks. I don't see no fire. Oh, never mind. There's a big firework coming out of my house. Like, ow, that made me cough. This guy really likes green. He's a liar. He doesn't. Oops. I just walked in his house. Why am I a ghost? Why is this still loading? And why am I a ghost? Wait. Never mind. I have skin color inside of this. Oops, he's home. Run. I'll be your mommy. I like reading. Baby Ashley. Let's go and baby Ashley home. What? Baby Ashley doesn't have no furniture. Okay, like I was saying nothing. I think. I have no brain, remember. So, can I reset because this is taking 1 year? Why is everyone running? Oh, there's baby Ashley, Lily. Princess Candy. Why is everyone naming like little girl name? Celebrity. That's how you spell celebrity. Cool. Wait, I'm reading your name. Cool boy. Oh, fireworks. Wait, where did you get that firework? Is it in toys? Does this have to take 1 year to load? Is she like flying? Or am I not? Please? I can't see. I'm a little child. No, please. No. I don't want to be small. I hate being small. I don't want to be a teen either. Teenager. Even though I am a teen. Oh, wow. Some of these are showing. Wait. Why do anyone want that skull type of face? Baby, that's rhythmic. Rhythmic? You like rhythmic, don't you? Is that her hair? Your hair looks really weird. Oh, I know where you go. Come. Come with me. I said come. She has wings. And weird hair looking things. Oh no. The moon is moving. Follow my arrow. Go down there. I guess you like the color black. I'm talking to you. Let's go to the shop. Candy. Kitchen. Wait. Is anything in here? No, yes, no. I have everything here, so I don't need anything in here. I have a cutting board, I have that, I have this, I have that, I have this. Never mind, I don't have nothing of the marble steel corner, blah blah blah. I'm like, so trophy case. I want a trophy case. Did I buy it? Whatever. Let's go to my home. Nothing has loaded. Yeah, we're going to the neighborhood. I just got out of jail. Wait, it's Harley Quinn hair. Oh, that's the same girl. Well, I'm weird. I like your really dark house. Happy 4th of July for me. Please look up for the celebration. Oh my god. Yes, happy 4th of July to you guys. Because we're recording like 300 videos in one day. Look at it. It's so pretty. When I logged in, I played Mip City today in the morning. And there wasn't a firework. I guess they just did this. Oh my god, this is actually really pretty. I want to buy a fire. Oh my god, free fire. Oh my god, my day has become. Yes. Can I use it, please? Please? Yay! Yay, more fireworks. Give me this. Give me this. More, use it. More, use it. More, use it. Use it. This is really laggy. I mean, really, like, lag. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is actually prettier. I saw pink. That is. Oh, I have a present. How many coins do you like to want to gift Erica? 200 coins for 20. That's actually not a really good deal. Oh, someone has happy 4th of July. Aw. I don't want to give any you. I don't even know you. Let me say the same thing. Happy 4th of July, people. Have the best day ever. I'm like for best. Have the best day ever. Best day ever. Happy 4th of July at the bit. I can't speak. I can't write. I can't speak. Have the happy 4th of July. Saddle. Are you like twinsies? Why does everyone in the server like? I need to dress up like um. Do, 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 do. Sorry, I was like really waiting. We need red and white hair. Red and white. Red. I guess there's no red and white hair. Well, that's rude. So, I'm gonna get rid of everything that I'm wearing. Oops. This and this and my face. Oops. There, and I'm completely naked. Wait, my face didn't go. Why is it so laggy? What? Please kill me. I don't like this outfit. At least there's a rainbow hair. What am I wearing? At least, why is there rainbow hair but not red, white, and blue hair? I'ma be this. I guess this is really ugly. I don't want to wear this. It's Harley Quinn based on. Whatever. Now I need white and blue. White. White. Well, everything is blank. Oh my god. Oh, one shirt has come up to kill me. What is this? Oh no, it's a bandana thing. What is this? Okay, let's forget that and go back to my normal style. Where did my styles go? This is so laggy, laggy. So, what's this? Nothing, right? Now we need blue. Red, white, and blue. Is there any? What? Red, white. Oops, I'm not saying in the correct order. Red, white, and blue. White and blue. White and blue. What's this? Can I? No. What am I wearing? What am I wearing? What am I wearing? No. No. My family is like screaming because we like screaming. Well, because my sister is screaming, so ignore that. Is there anything blue here except for this? Blue. Of course, the thing I'm wearing is the most popular here. Is there anything just... Oh, this is perfect. Except for me some white. Some white. This is the perfect face for this house celebration. Actually, disbelief is really good because you're like, oh my god, it's the best day ever. We need something like this. This it has even red. Just kidding. That's stupid. I have sniffles. I think I made the most best. Sorry if you hear stuff because I'm moving my headset because my ear hurts. Nothing is loading in. Okay, what am I wearing now? What kind of white stuff? We need something. Whipped cream! And it has a red cherry. I made the most coolest. Never mind, I made the most weirdest and nakedest person. Please. Never mind, look at this. I want something. I don't know how to spell more. I'm really stupid. Wait, what does this say? Made by. I'm wearing red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. Don't need to capitalize the. I'm wearing red, white, and blue. For a celebration. Yes. It's called Blocky. Sorry, I didn't read. Why are you so fat? It's called Blocky, weirdo. It's called Blocky. Don't call me fat. It's called Blocky. Don't judge people. I'm reporting you for that manners. I need a mom. I don't care. I ran out of jail to see this fire. You mean fireworks? What are you doing? Frosty. Your name's Frosty? Frosty. Fire. Works. Do you work? You work? You work for business? For fire? Fire. Fur. For fur. You work for fire? You want me to kill myself? Because I would love to. Give me that. Give me dish. Give me dish. Thank you. Laughs. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Do you need a new firework? Do you have difficulties? Have difficulties? Do you have difficulties? Because you laugh. Do you know what I just said? Did I ever laugh? And because I'm glad to be outside. You make no sense. You make no sense. Okay, bye. You're wrong. My ear hurts. Oh my god, you're celebrating with me. Yeah, go girl. You're celebrating with me. I forgot to spell celebrate. I think that's how you spell it. Celebrate. Celebrate. Celebrate with me. You celebrate with me. Yeah, I know. It's finally my turn. To what? To die? I wish you had Bloxburg. Me too. But Meep City's kind of like Bloxburg because look. Look. I'll tell you in a minute. Oh, my doggy just came in. Doggy. The, dut, dut. You make no grammar. Whipped cream. I mean dream. What? Whipped cream. I mean dream. Look, it's so animated. You could like get out food, make food. What was that noise? What am I so deaf? 4th of July. Look, you could literally just bake. It's so cool. You can make sushi. You can make juice. See, I bought everything. French fries. Ooh, sushi. Let's make a feast. What did I make? Mashed potatoes? Sushi is for me because I love sushi and pizza. Pizza is life. And sushi. This is for... Everything's for me. Where did the sushi go? Sushi. Oh my god. Let's make this whatever I just made. For a little bit. Just kidding, baby. Don't eat this. You're not even allowed to eat out of plastic. If that is a plastic container. Okay. Juice. Oops, not coffee. Juice. Apple juice. See, it's like so animated. For the baby. Okay. Sit. So let's just end the video right here. And I hope you have the best 4th of July in the whole entire universe. Oshkosh. Oshkosh. I don't care about you. I'm talking to my viewers. I don't know. The people. Dream, wanna join me? Okay. So I hope you have the most best 4th of July. This night is gonna be really fireworky and I'm not gonna sleep. I'm like looking through the window right now in real life and in Roblox. See the firework, but it's nothing. There's not even a ground. Let's close that. Just kidding. Oops, I can't spell. I mean, okay, I need to sleep. No, we're ending the video, not sleeping. So yeah. I hope you have the most amazing 4th of July. Be happy, wear a smile all the time. And yeah. So be sure to smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. And click the ding ding bell, the notification bell, well, aka notification bell. And have a great 4th of July and summer and whatever you do over there. So, bye.